David Call, and just wanted to let you know a little bit about me. I'm an insurance guy. I love riding bikes. I rode my bike today, this little green one here. And I have a strong feeling about bicycles. Ever since I was a little kid, I remember growing up in Fort Worth, Texas. My parents moved from Arkansas, and I was new to the area, and we lived near the seminary in Fort Worth. And I got on my bike and I just rode it all the time. I didn't know anybody, I had freedom. I loved the feeling of being able to ride my bike all over the place. And back then in 1986, I was able to go pretty much wherever I wanted, whenever I wanted. So it was pretty awesome. So fast forward about 35 years, and that's where I'm at now. Still loving bikes, got several bikes. I love everything. I've done mountain bike racing, did that with my wife before we had kids. And then, now as a business owner of an insurance agency, I like to insure other businesses, including bike shops. Here's a few clips of the biggest, baddest bike shop I've ever been to. It was in Germany, and they had 3 stories. You could actually ride a bike up and down each story, and they had little ramps you could go, and there's little indoor courses, and they just had everything. I couldn't believe it. Here's a quick video of one of my good friends' personal bike shop he has, and you'll notice some of these bikes on the wall, those are about $15,000 to $20,000 each. So insuring those is important, especially if you're in charge of other people's bikes. As a bike shop owner, there's a lot of coverages that you really need to make sure you have. One of them is Bailey's coverage, and that means you have coverage for other people's bikes while they're in your shop. It's almost like a garage keeper's policy for an auto mechanic. They have to have coverage for other people's property while it's under their care. The biggest thing about a bike shop, having all those bikes, whether it's your client's bikes that you're repairing, whether it's new bikes that you have inventory for, you really need to make sure you have all those bikes covered. That's a lot of money that you have covered. There's actually a bike shop here in town that had a fire in the bike shop at night, and the guy went out of business because he didn't have the right coverage. In comparison to your whole business operations, insurance expense is relatively low, but it is so important because it can keep your business from totally shutting down. Insurance companies want to know a few things about your operations. Are you selling e-bikes? How much of your sales are from those e-bikes? Do you rent bikes? Do you sell used bikes? Let us know if we can help you. At Ryan Everet Insurance, you're dealing with people that are feeling the same passion you have for bikes, and we know how to insure those.